Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about HTML and CSS. So, what do you need to do to link your CSS document to your HTML document? Well, the CSS link needs to be in the head, basically, and we're gonna put it right after title. So, click enter here, and we're gonna go with open link, and under the quotes you're gonna name your file, so your CSS file, of course. Mine is very simple, it's css.css. Close the quotes. After that we're gonna go with rel, and under the quotes you're gonna type style sheet. After that you're gonna go with type, and in the quotes you're gonna type text and CSS. Close that off, and basically you are now successful. Your CSS file is directly linked to your HTML file, and in your HTML file it's gonna show everything you do in your CSS file. Basically it's linked and it's probably working, I hope. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you're gonna watch the rest of my videos, and that's it for today's video. Bye.